what's this? Oh, wow. So here, what's this? Let's open it. Let's open the closet. Oh, washer dryer. Nice. Still my washer dryer. Ano naman to? Ayan, wala lang. Utility room lang siya. This is the main bedroom. Nice. Okay, let's turn it on. And it's a decent size with a closet right there.
Oh no,
It's
I ain't sleeping here.
Yan. 1 bedroom lang yung nakuha namin. Hindi na available yung 2 bedrooms nila for the kids sana. Pero okay lang. And then here is the bathroom. Yes. Bathroom. And this is the toilet. Nice. Full kitchen. Full kitchen with appliances. Yes. Nakakapagluto ako dahil may stove and yan, microwave. And they even have the dishwasher and syempre coffee. Yes, coffee maker. And here is the small dining and living room. Nice. Ganda. Ganda niya. Uy, may fireplace pang. Cute. Silang pull-out bed. Yes, para sa mga kids.
Bryce's bed.
Yeah. Bryce, look at your bed. And let's look it outside.
Oh, wait, we have the view of the pool.
Oh, really?
Still. Yeah, like last year.
Okay, let's go up outside.
There!
Yeah, may view ng pool. Close yung laser river nila, sayang. Pero this one is open, so we're gonna reserve that for tomorrow. Hi everyone! Good morning! So, today, nandito tayo ngayon
Good
sa...
morning!
Good morning daw, sabi ni Bryce. Birthday weekend! Tumatanda na tayo. Coffee muna and then, yun. Mag-start na kami ni Bryce ng activity namin. Okay, so bumalik na kami dito sa loob ng room kasi kawawa si Bryce. Close, ang daming close yung park. Gusto niya mag-park. He's sad, yeah. Interviewin natin si Bryce kung anong nararamdaman niya. Okay, what do you feel right now?
I feel sad.
Why do you feel sad? Why do you feel sad?
Because I want to go on the playground.
What happened to the playground?
It's not closed.
It's not closed, so it's open. You mean it's closed? You mean the playground is closed?
No.
So it's open. Hindi niya alam yung close. It's not closed, so it's open. Ano daw yun? Vacation namin ngayon, so yung mouth namin, vacation din. So, lagi kami kumakain ng junk foods the whole day. Kanina pa. Hindi natin yung question. Why? Why are you sad? Huh? Why are you sad?
Because
Because?
our playground is closed.
Oh, he's sad daw kasi the playground is closed. Okay, why is it closed? Okay, I'll ask you, why is it closed?
Because it's this virus.
Oh,
Kaya ko na a playground.
okay, naintindihan niyo yun, guys. Sabi niya, lalagay ko na lang yung yung subtitle sa mga. Yes. What are we gonna do today?
Going to
Two?
Wawa's house.
We're going to Wawa's house. No? Okay, come on. Ano ba yan? Why are we going to Wawa's house? It's too far.
I'm a superhero.
You're a superhero? What kind of superhero?
Supervillain.
Supervillain? You said superhero. What kind of superhero? You're a super fart.
No.
You're the fart man.
No.
You're the wonder fart.
No.
No? You're the lightning fart.
No.
What?
No.
What's your superpower?
Whoopee.
Oh, poopy man.
Yeah.
You're a poopy man?
Yeah.
Or you're super poopy?
Superman poopy.
Super... Ano ba yan, Bryce?
There up all about. Then anyway, then he made it. Spider up. He made it.
I know, he made it. Down came the rain and he made it. Ang galing ah. Hindi na makatiis si ate. Gutom na siya kasi may pasok pa siya mamaya. So ito na lang. Nalutunan ko na lang siya ng mac and cheese. Sorry ate. Hindi ko na malayan yung oras. Late na pala. Ngayon pala ako magluto ng rice. Ang tagal. So ito na lang siya. Okay. This is yours.
Thank you. Gracias.
You're welcome. Yummy?
It's still my birthday.
Happy birthday!
I want Oreo.
Early
Put some
birthday.
ketchup
Come
on
on.
it.
This is her favorite nung ano pa kami. Nung vegan pa kami. Well, up to now naman, di ba?
Wait, this is vegan?
Yeah, these are vegan.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ah.
Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Yay! Yay!
Oh, thank you so much. Wala pa. Mamaya pa. Ano to? Berry.
Very, very.
Very. Tapos ito yung favorite ko.
I have
Meron siyang orange, Oreo, and cookie dough. Orange syrup na. Parang gano'n. Or orange
Frosting.
cream. Or frosting. Orange frosting daw. Ito kay ate. Patingin sa'yo ate. Meron siyang ano to, banana and cinnamon. I don't know. Peanut butter. Ano ba to? Ano to, papa?
banana
Brown
with
sugar.
cream.
Banana cream. Ayun. Sige na, nauna na sila. Nagugutom na sila. Okay.
Oh man, this is good.
Oo nga eh. Pansin ko nga, nauna ka na. Oh, finally! Dumating na yung gift ni Papa Rob. Which is the GoPro 9 Hero. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Ayun, mali-mali pa yung sinasabi ko. Ito yung finally, yes. Well, ilang days lang naman, di ba? Ito yung gift niya sa akin nung birthday
From
ko.
our GoPro 4.
Ah, okay. So, from our GoPro 4, nag-upgrade na. So, ayan, GoPro 9 na. Ang layo naman. Like 5 series. So, yan, dumating na siya and gift niya sa akin yan pero ako bumili. Para sa sarili ko. Ginamit ko naman yung card niya. So, okay, sige na hindi ba to unboxing, di ba? Papakita lang namin sa inyo yung itsura niya. Tignan natin kung, well, hindi pa namin siya nakikita, so gusto namin makita kung ano yung mga laman niya. Kasi exciting! Totoo na to? Teka lang. Totoo na? Sigurado ka na? Wala nang bawian? Ah! Yes! This is it! So, kasama yung, yung case. Yan. Sabi nila, ganun daw. May kasama na siyang case ngayon. And let's see kung anong itsura niya. Cute! Ang ganda! Excited na ako mag-vlog gamit yan. Ganda!
It's not that much bigger.
So, may kasama siyang cord. So, may kasama siyang mga abubot na hindi ko alam kung ano mga abubot para saan. Basta abubot. Mga mounts.
There's no more case. That's cool.
Turn it on.
You can't, you have to charge it.
Ay. Sige, charge muna natin. Magbabalik po ang ating ang ating ginagawa. So, bumili ako ng extra na rechargeable battery. Parang kala mo naman mauubos yung battery. At saka, it comes with ilang gigabyte ba to? 32 gigabyte na micro SD. And yun, bibili sana ako ng mount kaso lang out of stock yung mount na gusto ko.
How do you open?
Turn it on, baka may extra battery. We need to charge it.
Should have some battery in there.
Ting-ning-ning! Magbabalik po kami. I-charge lang po namin. Sige. Ayun! Ayun, meron.
Cute.
What? Cool! It's 4K. 5K, di ba?
GoPro reads terms and conditions. Location.
Yes.
Install the app.
Kailangan pag-install na. Ako din, pa-install ako ng app. So, bye-bye phone. Bye-bye na dito sa gamit ko. Hello, GoPro. Malinaw-linaw na ang ating vlog next time. Gustuhan ko dito kasi meron siyang screen sa harap. So, makikita ko yung mukha ko pag nag-vlog ako.
Let's go charge it first.
Natutuwa ako.
It's too low. We have to charge it with the battery.
Hi! So, ang dami kong pinanood ng mga videos about sa mga cameras, ganyan. And yung GoPro, yung talagang tumatak sa akin. Yung for me, dun sa siguro klase ng lifestyle or video na gusto kong i-create. Yung GoPro, yung feeling ko magiging, tsaka sa budgeting din, yung GoPro, yung feeling ko na magiging para sa akin talaga. Or yun, para sa content ko. Okay guys, so hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. Gabi na, matutulog na kami. And excited ako sa next vlog natin. Abangan nyo yan. Kasi magagamit na nga natin yung gift sa akin ni Papa Rob na GoPro Hero 9 Black. Masyadong mahaba. GoPro 9 na lang. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up or like this video kung nagustuhan ninyo. And subscribe kung hindi ka pa nagsusubscribe. And also hit the notification bell. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. Good night. Bye!